Hey, what's up, you jerk? Soapy Fresh here in the crypto sewer. Today, I'm going to show you how to go about accessing the solo mining features of the Ryo Atom Wallet. Now, in the first half, it's just going to be the basic setup on how to mine on your home network. And then the second half of the video, I'll show you how to access the solo mining from outside the network. So first, we're going to load up the wallet here. You'll also need to make sure that the daemon is 100% synchronized. Click the hamburger in the upper left corner and click Settings, and then you're going to select Local and Remote Daemon just to make sure that you are synchronized to the blockchain yourself. You can't do this using a remote node. Then click on the hamburger again and go to Solo Mining. It's going to show you all the features right here. Our current hash rate is 0. You'll see the hour, 6-hour, and 24-hour average does show some. That's because I was testing it out right before I did this video. It also says connected workers is 2, but they are no longer connected. That's just, that'll time out in just a few minutes. Right here, you're going to select the mining address that you want to mine to. You'll select one of your current wallets that you have. So what happens on the solo mining, it doesn't really create a pool that distributes shares. It just, every block that's found while solo mining will go to that wallet you've selected, no matter whom finds it. Now on the bind IP, we're going to go to all interfaces and select your port, but the default's 3333 and that's fine. Be sure to check enable solo mining and then apply settings. You'll see over here on the pool status, it says ready, so we are now ready. Now all we have to do is go into the settings of our miner and change the pool address to the IP address of the computer that's running the Atom wallet. And as you can see here, I can leave my wallet address blank because, like I said before, any blocks found, the block reward will go into the wallet that's set up in the Atom wallet. We'll run xmr-stak right here, and you'll see that it's connecting to the IP address, and it's logged in successfully. And before long, it will be submitting shares. Now, as you can see, we're starting to display some hash rate over in the Atom wallet. So everything's looking good. So we know that this works now, but it's not very sexy. So I'm going to show you how you can access solo mining from outside your network. So we have to set up a dynamic DNS here because most ISPs change your IP address all the time. You can spend a little extra money to get a static IP, but this is a nice, easy, free way to do it. If you have a static IP, you can skip this step and just go to the section where we talk about port forwarding. I'll try to put some timestamps in the description of this video. You'll also just use your static IP as the IP address of the pool that you'll be connecting to. Now there's a couple ways to go about this, but the one I like to use is from NoIP. Now we're going to set up a host name that outside people can connect to. So we're going to sign up with them. So after you've signed up with them, you're going to select a host name. And this is what the people outside your network will connect to. Now, once you've signed up and selected a host name, you're going to download the Dynamic Update client. Now, running this will automatically update your IP and connect it to the host name that you've selected. Show you real quick here what it looks like. Now, all the green checks mean that everything is going good. You can click Edit Host if you have more than one host, and I want to make sure that I have cryptosewer.hop2.org selected. And now we're all good. Now our IP is connected to that host name. Now there's one other step here to get set up before we get started solo mining from outside our network. We have to get our router to forward the port that we selected in the Atom wallet, which was 3333. So I don't know how yours looks like, but you're going to have to log into your router. I did it by opening a browser and going to 192.168.0.1. Now your menu likely won't look like this, but I went to Advanced and then Port Forwarding. Now as you can see here, I've got the port 3333 set up with my IP address of this machine. Port Forwarding is enabled. So this is the second step that you're going to have to do. Be sure that that port is forwarded. So now we have our dynamic DNS set up. and we have our port forwarded. So now we'll go back into the config of our miner. We're going to type in the hostname that we selected earlier, cryptosewer.hop2.org. We'll save that, and then we'll launch the miner and make sure we have everything set up. We've connected, the pool has logged in, it looks great. So this is how you can connect from outside your network to solo mining with the Ryo Atom Wallet. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.